Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a caller ID and verify your phone number in YourDialer application. So let's get started. After you logged in your account, hit this more button here. After that, click on the caller ID here. And here you can see your caller IDs list. For adding a caller ID, hit this plus button here. If you see this page, click on other numbers. And here, first choose your phone type. After that, select your country and enter your phone number and click on verify button. After that, click on already have a code and wait for server to send you a message that contains the code. And if you didn't get the code, click on the resend button. After you get the code, enter the code and hit the submit button. Now your caller ID has been successfully added to your caller IDs. Here is a tip that I should tell you. If your caller ID is on no caller ID mode, if you call anybody, your call will be as unknown number. If you want to call anybody, just click the keypad button and enter plus or double O, and after that the country code you want to call, and after that enter your friend's or anybody's number that you want to call. Finally, click on the phone button and call anybody you want. Thanks for your watching. I wish it was helpful for you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.